Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to liquify in Krita. To start, open your image in Krita and select the layer you want to distort. This should be a raster or paint layer, not a vector layer. Vector layers won't work with liquify modes. Next, press Ctrl T or choose the transform tool from the toolbar to activate the transform system. In the tool options docker, click the liquify icon, which is a small droplet. This switches the transform tool into liquify mode so your brushstrokes warp the image directly. With liquify active, set your brush size and strength in the tool options. Larger size affects more pixels, and higher amounts make the effect stronger. Now click and drag on the canvas where you want to distort your image. Dragging near edges pushes pixels in the direction you move, letting you reshape features intuitively. When you're happy with the transformation, press Enter or click Apply in the tool options to commit the changes to your layer. And that's how you liquify in Krita. Thanks for watching.